In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sideload third-party apps on any of your Android or Google streaming devices, or any Android smart TV without the help of the Downloader app. As we all know, both Google and Amazon have tightened their restrictions on various third-party applications, and some are even predicting that it will affect the Downloader app, which is one of the best platforms for sideloading these apps. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you not one but two methods to sideload third-party apps on your Google or Android devices, all without using the Downloader app. If you like this video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. So let's begin. For the first method, we will simply need to install a web browser from the Google Play Store. Start by heading over to the search bar and type the app name TV Bro. Once you find it, select it and click Install to install the app. Okay, so now our app is installed. Click on it to launch the app. Now click on the Google search bar and type this web address as it is shown to you on your screen: www.firestickhacks.com. So this is my website where I've compiled all the updated app APKs, plus there are tons of app recommendations here that I'm sure you'll love to try out. Alright, so what you need to do is select Downloads from the menu on the top. This section has all the APKs you're looking for, so basically you can install any app you see here. There are more than 250 plus apps all updated and neatly categorized. For this tutorial purpose, I'll install the Facebook app from the social media category. If I click on it once, the app will start to download, and the pop-up here will also confirm that. Now you see this download icon. This is where you'll find all your downloaded apps. Let's click on it. And as you see, our app is downloading, which will take a couple of seconds. Now we just need to select the app, which will take us to this small pop-up, which says you need to enable permission to install unknown apps. We can do that by simply clicking on the settings. Now scroll down and turn the permission on for TV Bro to install apps on your device. This will again show a pop-up to finally install the app. Click Install, and within a few seconds, our app will be installed. Let's press Done and back out of that. Now I'll just go over to my settings. Scroll down to Apps. And there you go. The Facebook app is installed and showing on the apps list. Now, if for any reason you are not able to sideload with the web browser method, you can still do it using mobile phone. For that, you'll need to install an app called Send Files to TV on both your Android device and your mobile. We'll install it first on our Android TV. Select the search bar and type the name of the app, Send Files to TV. So this is what the app looks like. Select it and then install the app. Now from your mobile, head over to my website, firestickhacks.com once again, and then in the same way as the previous method, download the Facebook app on your mobile. Once the download finishes, search and install the same app Send Files to TV on your mobile now. Now give necessary permissions to the app in order to work smoothly on your device. Now click Send on your mobile and then find the Facebook APK we just installed. And just like that, the APK file will be transferred to our Android device in a couple of minutes. Choose Open, and similarly like the first method, you'll need to select Settings from this pop-up and turn the permission on for Send Files to TV in order to install third-party apps. And within a couple of seconds, our app will be installed. So that was all for the tutorial. I hope you learned how to now install apps directly without the Downloader app, even if it does get removed from the Google Play Store. Make sure to comment if you face any issues. Until next time, happy streaming.